Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit slow motion videos on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to find our slow motion video, and of course we can find it, for instance, in the gallery. Then tap on your video, and in order to edit it we can press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. First we have the readjustment of the slow motion effect, so over here we can extend the slow motion or apply it only in a specific moment. And after that we can also make some additional changes, like the mirror of the slow motion video, or rotate it by 90 degrees every time we tap on this option. We can also choose the filter. In addition to that, we also have some brightness, exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation, tint, temperature, sharpness, and definition options. We can also draw, we can also apply stickers. We can write a text if we want to, and we can also manage the volume of the video. And we can also press add over here in order to add background music. So after that, once we are done, we can press save in the top right corner in order to overwrite the original video and save this one. We can also tap on these three dots and then save as copy in order to keep the original video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.